Top 10 careers for freshers without coding knowledge. It's perfectly fine if you want to develop a successful profession while not understanding how to code. The technology sector is not restricted to programming, and you do not need to be a programmer to work in the field. Whether you want to work for startups or Fortune 500 firms, there are a plethora of non coding positions available. Without further ado, let's look at the trending career prospects for non coders. UX UI design. This is a great career option if you have a knack for visual design and user psychology when interacting with the digital space and web design. The driving force behind the user interface and user experience designer is creating products that are aesthetically pleasing and easy to use. As an industry revolving around user experience and user interface, this career has a better prospect of surviving the approaching AI-powered future. For your consideration, here are some skills that are in demand for you to have a great UX UI career. Principles of human-computer interaction. Analytical ability. UX wireframing and design applications such as Azure, Figma, OmniGraffle or Adobe XD. Adobe Creative Suite like Adobe Photoshop. Expertise with Microsoft Office Suite. Ability to anticipate problems from a user perspective and offer solutions. Basic programming skills may help, but they are not mandatory for the role. According to a LinkedIn survey in 2019, UX design is one of the 5 skills that can sustain the coming age of automation. This is because the core skills of creativity, logical ability, and human touch are hard to automate. With the progress of technology branching off into virtual assistants, smart homes, and VR, we could soon see even a specialization of the roles between UX and UI, which bodes well for its longevity. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is the act of selling products and services through channels such as social media, SEO, email, and mobile apps. Digital marketing is any form of marketing that involves electronic devices, claims Neil Patel, co-founder of NP Digital. According to an article by digital market research company eMarketer, India is one of the world's largest digital marketing markets, worth $2.77 billion. It is projected to scale to $5.12 billion by 2025. As a fresher looking to specialize in digital marketing, you will need to master the top 3 skills, which are analytics, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads, that you will use to drive sales. In the digital marketing sphere, you will need skills that are varied to succeed. With that in mind, keep an eye out to build your skills along these lines. Data analysis and web analytics, website design and development, SEO and SEM, customer relationship management, marketing automation, social media marketing, basic design skills. According to Statista, digital advertising spending worldwide amounted to $378.16 billion in 2020, increasing and not contracting versus the 2019 figure in spite of the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Graphic design. When you look at an artful photograph of food on a restaurant flyer or a visually appealing business card or website, you are looking at the handiwork of graphic designers. They work on breaking down information in a short and artistic way. They are crucial for advertisements as well as launching a successful digital marketing campaign. Adobe products such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are the foundational tools that can help boost your career prospects. Some other avenues to explore for strengthening your skill set are color schemes, typography, composition, layouts, design tools. According to the graphic design industry statistics, modern design categories such as computer software design, animated infographics, video editing, and online advertising are expected to grow up to 24%. The future of graphic design looks promising thanks to the growing market for augmented reality and virtual reality. With graphic design being used in traditional and online marketing, the comic manga proliferation, the demand for graphic designers will only rise. Video editing. Video editing is a very lucrative field where you will need technical expertise as well as creativity to succeed. With the different niches like television studio editors, broadcast and sound engineering technicians, multimedia artists, producers, etc., the field offers a range of markets where you can put your skills to use. A typical day might include creating treatments and storyboards, establishing manuscripts, creating, editing, and enhancing video clips and images for a variety of platforms, ranging from short form daily web content for social media sites to long form video content like films, documentaries, etc. As a video editor, you will need knowledge of film production as well as a variety of editing tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Final Cut Pro, Avid, etc. In addition, you must be able to visualize concepts, see the big picture, and be great at telling a compelling story. It is also worth noting that the industry is geared towards continuous learning, and with some investment in courses and training opportunities, you can build a portfolio that can impress even the most exacting employer. Motion graphics designer. Motion graphics designers, also referred to as motion designers, create animated graphics for the internet, television, and movies. This may comprise film clips, trailers, advertising, and title sequences, among other things. They bring their concepts to life through visual effects, animation, and other cinematic approaches. They are great at supporting the technological advances in media, making them a profitable skill for the future. The skill set that a motion graphics designer needs to cultivate revolve around art in various forms like traditional art like sketches or line art, understanding animation, texturing and lighting effects, color theory, lateral thinking. A fresher with a basic knowledge of motion graphics can expect a take home of 2 to 4 lakhs per year. However, if you take a professional certification and hone your skills, you can earn as much as 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. Content writing or technical writing. Developing, creating, and revising information, usually for digital or print media marketing objectives, is known as content writing. It can entail authoring blog entries, books, articles, website content, landing pages, e-commerce descriptions, novels, scripts for films and podcasts, and material for specific social media sites like Twitter tweet storms, Google promotional campaigns, and Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn text postings. Technical writing, on the other hand, focuses on instructional content for users like manuals for developers, technical reports, white papers, or other types of documents. While a background in English literature or journalism or mass communication can help you land a content writing job, anyone with excellent communication skills has a chance to make a successful career through writing. You could also explore options like working with ghostwriting or writing fiction if you have skills and a great imagination. In addition to strong writing skills, which include sound grammar, sentence construction, and syntax, you should master the following 5 skills and abilities. Thorough research of your chosen topic. When writing, keep your intended audience in mind. Adapt your content to various industries. Produce unique and SEO-friendly content. Before publishing, proofread and revise your work. The potential for content writing is enormous. If you're looking for a job that requires creativity and a high level of expertise, content writing is one of your ideal choices. Writers can take on freelancing work and even earn as much as a lakh a month if they work across borders. Business development. Business development is a set of tasks and processes meant to develop and implement growth opportunities within and between organizations in a sustainable and profitable way. You can create value by working on 2 critical elements of business development. The first is to focus on developing growth opportunities for the business. Creating and maintaining the company's brand, voice, and vision forms the core of this element. The second is to develop a strategic partnership with other companies or organizations. Through this partnership, you can generate more revenue and growth opportunities. You can condense the skill set into 3 core areas: Marketing. This is where you look for opportunities to address your product or services' unique selling points and customers' pain points. Communication. Maintaining and nurturing relationships with business partners, enticing prospective clients requires precise communication. Sales. Cultivating leads, generating prospects, and converting leads into sales is the prerogative of the business development executive. Sales is the backbone of any organization. With a changing market, the horizons of what is possible are currently expanding. That, combined with the reopening of economies, the opportunities available to business development executives are increasing rapidly today. Hardware and networking. Hardware is the physical components of a computer like the motherboard, RAM, hard drive, etc. Networking deals with routers, modems, and other connected devices to a network and help communicate with one another and other networks like the internet. There are few certificate courses, one of which you will need to gain mastery in the field of hardware and networking. CCNA, the Cisco Certified Network Associate Certificate, is designed to validate your knowledge on fundamental networking concepts often requested in networking roles in IT positions. CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional, is an intermediate level certification in the Cisco Certified Professional program aimed at full-time network or system administrators or those who work with local and wide area networks infrastructure. CCIE, Cisco Certified Internet Work Expert, is a series of technical certifications for senior networking professionals who design, build, implement, maintain, and troubleshoot complex enterprise networking infrastructures. Diploma courses for computer hardware maintenance or hardware and networking are also offered. With all businesses adopting the digital model, the demand for hardware and networking professionals have skyrocketed today. There is plenty of scope for hardware and networking available in institutions like banks, schools, colleges, etc., which maintain a large network of electronic devices. Operations management. An operations manager is responsible for the day-to-day operations of an organization as well as seeing what future operations hold. In addition to this, they are in charge of quality assurance, hiring, training, and supervising employees. This is a specialized all-for-one role which requires a basic degree and diverse skills like technical proficiency, data management, risk analysis, budget and staff management, product development. As an operations manager, you may be in charge of various critical activities and projects depending on your skills and experience in different business, management, and production areas. Tech support BPO. Technical support is a position hired by a company to oversee and maintain their computer hardware and software systems. In BPOs, their role is to offer technical support for commonly used software and troubleshoot problems the customer has. There is some overlap in skills between tech support and hardware networking as you can opt to specialize. Some companies like Tech Mahindra may even require the CCNA certification or a diploma in computer science. A few core skills that can serve you well in the role of tech support are learning new software, technical issue analysis, data migration, diagnosing hardware and software error, troubleshooting. Every organization wants to take good care of its customers by offering valuable support to them, and they recruit talented youngsters to train them in offering tech assistance. As a candidate, when you are certified and gain experience, your pay scale will increase accordingly. The job market is currently at full throttle and the trends look likely to continue well into the next few years. The job you have can be a reflection of your interests and aptitude. Don't limit yourself because you think you don't have a programming degree or coding skills backing. As this video has pointed out, there are plenty of roles where you can get hired and put your skills to use without having any coding knowledge. Thank you for watching. We shall meet you shortly with another video.